Hello, my dear students. Let's add value to your knowledge account today. I'm Dr. Bharathi Sunil. Welcome to today's video on types of accounts. Today we'll discuss about golden rules of accounting. Have you ever wondered how accountants are organizing the money whatever they are receiving in the business and the money whatever they are paying in the business? You are in the right place. You know, every company in the world, whether it is $1 billion giant company or a very small shop, they just organize all their money using only these three golden rules. Once you understand these three, then all accounting starts to make sense. Stick with me for just few minutes, then you will finally understand that assets or liabilities are not just boring definitions, but they actually tell a powerful story about a business. Do you think accounting is dry? No, not at all. Just understand these golden rules, then you will know how to prepare journal entries. Then, if you know preparation of journal entries, then accounting is done. You will do all the things rest. Once you prepare journal entries, then the rest of the accounting will be very easy for you. Have confidence on me. Just remember these words. After understanding these three golden rules, you will understand how to prepare journal entries and how to prepare the rest of the accounting. So let's dive into this traditional classification of accounts, which is also called types of accounts. It is one of the oldest and most taught systems in the accounting. This traditional approach is also called British approach. Let's get into the topic. Types of accounts. So here you will understand golden rules of accounting. You will find accounts into two types of accounts first. So what's the first one? Personal account. And second one, impersonal account. So again, this impersonal account got divided into real accounts and nominal accounts. So finally, you have to understand personal account, real account and nominal account. Right? So what is personal account? Means you have to understand that we are dealing with people and organization. So who are people? People means natural persons. Natural persons means Ram, Sham, Krishna, Raj, Kishore. Like that, we'll deal with natural persons and also we'll deal with artificial persons. Artificial persons means what? Organization. So what's the first one? Natural persons account, right? And what is the second one? Artificial person account. Artificial person account means dealing with organizations. So for example, your college is dealing with bank, your college is dealing with UGC, right? Your college is also dealing with university. So here banks, university, UGC are all called what? Organizations. Means what? Artificial persons. So like that we are having SBI, ITC, Wipro, right? Amazon, Flipkart, Swiggy, Zomato, Uber, whatever we are using, all these are called artificial persons, right? What is the meaning of artificial persons? Means created by law. These companies are incorporated because of law, right? So that is why these organizations are called artificial persons, right? So what is the benefit of doing this personal account? Because it organizes money owed to or owed from others. So for example, we are purchasing some materials from our suppliers. Means we are owing money to our suppliers. Means we have to pay money to our suppliers. Okay. In the same way, when we are selling our finished products to our customers, we have to receive money from our customers. Means money to be received from our customers. Means what? Owed to means owed to others means paying to suppliers, and owed from others means amount to be received from our customers. So in personal account, we'll have what type of accounts? Customers account, suppliers account, right? Customers are called debtors, suppliers are called creditors. In the same way, we also have capital account, drawings account in personal accounts. Is it clear? So coming to the third one. What's the third one? Representative personal account. What is representative personal account? Means if a company has to pay March month rent or March month salaries in the month of April, then it can't show that salaries are paid in the month of March. So how they have to say, how they have to show outstanding salaries? In the same way, the rent which is to be paid by the company in the next month, that is in the April. So how the company will show as outstanding rent? Means the amounts which are not paid but to be paid in the next financial year. Those are called what? Outstanding expenses, right? Next, in the same way, prepaid expenses. Say we all use mobile, no? So when we recharge, if you go for prepaid recharge, then means we are paying in advance for the next 84 days or for the next 56 days, right? So that is called what? Prepaid expenses. So with this, where you will get these outstanding salaries and prepaid expenses under representative personal account. So what you have understood with this personal account? Personal account means there are three types of accounts in this. Natural person account means people like us, right? Next, artificial person means or nations account, right? Next, representative personal account means outstanding salaries, outstanding rent, outstanding commission, prepaid insurance, right? All prepaid expenses will come under what? Representative personal account. Now we are coming to the second one. What second one? Real account. Real, just remember, real means real estate. In that form, in that manner, if you understand, all real estate properties are called our assets. Say for example, you bought one building, right? It's your asset. You bought one land, it's your asset. You bought one flat, it's your asset, right? In the same way, real accounts means all assets accounts, right? Assets are two types: tangible asset, intangible asset. See, this is my board. How can I say that he is my board? I can feel, I can touch, I can see. It's called what? Tangible asset. See my bangle, tangible asset, right? The assets which we can see, we can feel, we can touch are called what? Tangible assets. So what are the examples for tangible assets? Buildings, machinery, car, right? Mobile phone, right? AC. All these are called what? Tangible assets, right? Next, intangible assets. Means assets which we cannot see but which will definitely help the company to get good profits. Like iPhone. If you have the same kind of phone in some other brand also, we will pay more for iPhone. Why? Because of its goodwill, right? Because of its trademark. So we can take examples of Nike, Puma. Because of their goodwill and trademark, we are paying more. So this is called what? It's their intangible asset. Can we see goodwill? We can't see. The company is having good reputation means we can't see that. That's why it is called what? Intangible assets. Assets which cannot be seen, which cannot be like felt, are called, are touched, are called what? Intangible assets. Intangible assets, you can have copyrights, patents, etc. also in this intangible assets. Okay. So in real accounts, what we can track? Assets are things what you own. See, what you are owning? You are owning one bike, you are owning one mobile, right? Suppose if you are owning one laptop, that is also called your asset, right? So what are the assets or things we are owning? That will come under real accounts, right? So so what are the benefits of this? So it shows what your business owns, whether it is, whether a big or whether a small. So for example, if your business is owning a big land for factory premises, right? So that is called very big asset. Or if the business is owning some small, any, say for example, if the business is owning some tools also, that is also called asset to the business, right? So whether the business is owning very big or very small asset also, it's where it will come under real account. Okay. So example, land, furniture, cash, bank balance. If any deposits, bank deposits are there, all that will come under what? Real accounts, right? So next, nominal accounts. So under nominal accounts, what you will get? Salaries. So under nominal accounts, you will get expenses, incomes, losses, gains, right? What are expenses? Expenses means every month we'll pay rent, every month we'll pay electricity, every month we'll pay our cable bill, every month we'll pay our phone bill. Okay, all these are called what? Expenses, right? In the same way, incomes. So suppose we are owning one flat, we'll get rent. Okay, we are working in one organization. Okay, what we'll get? We'll get salary. So whatever we are getting regularly are called incomes, right? So now you know what are expenses, what are incomes. Now I'll explain you losses. What are losses? Say you are owning one car, but that car is now outdated, so you want to buy a new car. Okay, so the car what you want to sell, that you have purchased for 10 lakhs, but now you are selling that for only 7 lakhs. So how, what is your loss? 3 lakhs is your loss. Is it clear? In the same way, suppose I am having one gold coin which I bought for 1,50,000. Okay, now I want to sell that gold coin for 2 lakhs. So how much is my profit? I bought for 1,50,000. Now I'm selling for 2 lakhs. So how much I am gaining now? 2 lakhs minus 1,50,000 means I am gaining 50,000. That's called what? Gain. So all expenses, losses, incomes and gains will come under nominal account. So nominal account means what? Rent paid or rent received, commission paid or commission received. Okay, salary paid, or if you are receiving any other any salary also, that is called salary received. Means salary paid means expense, salary received means income. Rent paid means expenses, rent received means income. Okay, is it clear? So under nominal account, what you will get under nominal account? You will have incomes, expenses, losses, gains. So how this will be helpful to you? How nominal account will be helping you? It will calculate profits or losses quickly. How? Say for example, your income is 2 lakhs, incomes or gains are totally 2 lakhs, and you have your expenses or losses is equal to 1,50,000. So income, this is expenditure. So 2 lakhs minus 1,50,000 means 50,000. What is this 50,000? 50,000 is your profit. So like this you can get your profit or losses quickly. Say here, I said that income is 2 lakhs. Say the income is 2 lakhs, but the expenditure is, suppose, 2,50,000. So income is 2 lakhs, expenses is 2,50,000. So what is our loss? 50,000. So it is not profit now, it is loss. Is it clear? Like this we can get our profit or loss quickly with this nominal account. Okay, so what you will get under nominal account? Rent, electricity, insurance, commission, discount. Commission can be commission paid or commission received. If it is commission paid, expenditure. If commission received, income. Is it clear? Okay. Now we'll go to next topic. Here, this personal account, real account, nominal account. I am showing again here, and I am telling you, I am explaining you golden rules. I'm explaining you golden rules here. So what are the golden rules? In case of personal account, debit receiver. In case of personal account, debit the receiver and credit the giver. Is it clear? Say for example, we are receiving cash from Mr. Ram. Okay. So what we are receiving? Cash. So who is giving us that cash? Ram. Okay. So now we are applying this particular rule, right? So who is giving us cash? Ram is giving us cash. So we have received how much? 50,000 rupees. So what we are receiving? We are receiving cash. So cash account debtor to Ram account. Why we are writing Ram in credit place? Why we are writing Ram in credit place? Because Ram is giving us cash. So giver is always to be credited. Is it clear? Next, I will show another example. Okay, you are paying some 20,000 to Raj. Okay, so how you are paying this amount to Raj? By giving one check. Okay, so check means what? Bank payment. Is it clear? So who is receiving our 20,000? Raj is receiving. So in personal account, who is to be debited? Receiver is to be debited. So who is receiving our cash? Raj. So what we'll do? Raj account debtor to bank account. Why? Because Raj is receiver. That is why we are writing in the debit place. Okay. And here Ram is giver. Who is giving us cash? Ram. That is why Ram is giver. That is why we are writing in the credit place. Is it clear? Okay. Next. So this is about what? Personal account. Right. Now I'll explain you real account. Okay. So we have purchased furniture. What we have purchased? We have purchased furniture. So what is coming into our business? Furniture is coming. So what we are paying? Cash is paid. Okay. So what is coming into our business? See, what is the rule for real account? Debit what comes in. Means when we are purchasing furniture, what is it? What is coming in? Furniture is coming in, right? So what is coming in? What is coming in to be debited? So I am writing furniture in the debit place. Furniture account debtor to what we are paying to buy this furniture? Cash. So cash is going out. So cash account in the credit place. We should not write credit when we are writing entries. Just for your present understanding, I am writing here CR. CR means the credit place. This is called debit place. This is called credit place. Okay. So why we are debiting furniture? Because when we are purchasing furniture, furniture is coming into our business. So what comes in is to be debited, right? And what goes out means cash is going out. So that is to be credited. Clear? So I will give another example to you. We sold our machinery. We are having one old machinery which is not useful for us. So we are selling that. So when we are selling our machinery, right, we are receiving again cash. Okay. So what is going out of the business now? That machinery is going out of the business, and what is coming in? Cash is coming in. So cash, what comes in means cash, what comes in means cash is coming in. So what we should write? Cash account debtor to what is going out? We are selling what? Machinery. So to machinery account. Is it clear? So this is about what? Real account. These two entries are for real account. Is it clear? Okay. Then next I will explain you nominal account. Okay. So what is the rule for nominal account? All expenses and losses are to be debited, and all incomes and gains are to be credited. Okay. First I want to show you expenses entry. Okay. So salary paid. We are paying what? Salary. When we are making payment, it means what? Expenditure. It's called expense. Right? So all expenses and losses are to be debited. So expense. So salary is expense. So I am writing in the debit place. Salary account debtor. So how I am paying salary? In the form of cash. So to cash account. Right? Next, I am receiving rent. I am receiving rent. So receiving rent means what? Income. All incomes are to be credited. All incomes are to be credited. How I am receiving my rent? I am receiving my rent by way of cash. Right? So how I will enter? Cash account debtor cash account debtor to rent account. Okay, so always remember, if I am writing rent in the credit place, it means rent received. Why? Because credit means all incomes. Credit means all incomes. If I am writing rent in the credit place, okay. See, here I have written rent in the credit place, right? Clear? So, when I am writing rent in the credit place, it means rent received. Say, if I write like this, rent account debtor to cash account. Say, if I write like this, rent account debtor to cash account, means if I am writing rent in the debit place, it's called expense. Means here I am paying rent, right? If I am writing rent in the credit place, this is credit place and this is debit place. If I am writing rent in this credit place, it is called income, means rent received. If I am writing rent in the credit place, it is called rent received. If I am writing rent in the debit place, it's called rent paid. Okay. So like this, you have to understand that there are three types of accounts. First one is personal account, second one is impersonal account. Impersonal account is again divided into real account and nominal account. Okay, so what are the rules for personal account? Debit the receiver, credit the giver, right? And for real account, debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Okay, and for nominal account, debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. Clear? Okay, so here I gave examples to you. So watch this video completely, then you will have complete clarity about types of accounts. If you can understand types of accounts, then you can prepare journal entries very easily. Generally, why students feel difficulty with accounting, because if they are not understanding these golden rules, that is why it is named as what? Golden rules, right? So if the student is not understanding these golden rules, then he can't get that golden mind. What is golden mind here? Accounting. So understand these golden rules, then you can do accounting perfectly. Yes, you will do. If you see my videos, I have posted my videos step by step. So from starting onwards, if you see all my videos, then you will understand all the coming videos also very easily. Why? Because I have explained all basics. See, if a student is perfect with basics, then any complex, any difficult problem also he can do. Don't think that accounting is only one part, one subject in our course. But accounting, if you are perfect in accounting, later when you start working or if you have your own business also, that will be very useful to you. Remember my words. Definitely will say in future that, ma'am, whatever you told, that is right. So prepare well. This concept is very important. In the previous video, I have explained about accounting concepts, no? Accounting conventions, right? So if you understand these three golden rules perfectly, no, then doing journal entries will become very easy for you. Okay, that's all for today. But learning never stops. So keep learning, keep growing. Thank you. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll come with more and more concepts in accounting. So then accounting will become very easy for you and you will definitely become master in accounting. That's all. Thank you.